Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a practical approach to meal prep for the entire week without spending hours in the kitchen. You have taken 2 liters of milk to make paneer for the week. I've kept palak, I'll blanch and make puree of it. I'll wash all these potatoes and I'll place them in the steamer. I've washed these veggies and I've kept them for drying. We'll cut the sweet potato into half and place them in the steamer. We'll steam them along with the other potatoes for 15 minutes. So basically it is multitasking. Along with these, I've also kept my paneer is going on and my palak is being done. As I've kept the potatoes out here, I'll take some of the veggies right now, peel them and keep it aside. I've taken some water in a bowl. I'm transferring some ice in it. We'll place the palak leaves in it so that they don't lose their color. And then we'll make a puree of it and keep it in an airtight container. Once the paneer is done, I'll allow it to cool. And in the meanwhile, I'll be cutting vegetables and place them in the containers. Beside, I've kept some water for boiling. I've added some oil and now I'll place the pasta in it. Once the pasta is cooked, I'll drain the water, wash it with cold water and spread some oil on it and keep it in the container. Here I've kept the paneer to set and this is the meal plan for the week. For breakfast, we'll be having this week overnight oats, upma, poha, milkshake, fruits and pancake. I've shared the pancake premix in my last video. Here I have some moong sprouts which I'll be using for salad. I had soaked some chana dal, rajma, boiled them. This also I'll be using for salad. The veggies for salad I've washed, I've peeled the carrot. When I prepare the salad, I'll just chop them and I will put them in the salad. Pasta, I'll be preparing 2 recipes. One I'll use for salad and one I'll be using them in the spinach gravy. Baby potatoes, I'll be preparing aloo dum, roti, raita for one of the days. And the sweet potatoes, I'll be making a South Indian sweet potato puri mas along with rice sambar. The palak puree and paneer, I'll use it for palak paneer. And here I've chopped kundru. I'll be making a kundru curry along with some lemon dal and salad for one of the days. And cabbage, I can make a cabbage curry or I can also use them in the salad. I've got the green chutney which I can make for sandwiches in the evening. Barbati aloo is one of the recipes I'll be preparing this week. I have some fruits left from my last week. I'll use them first and then later in the week I'll cut them and keep them in the airtight containers. Here I'm sharing some clips of the recipes I had prepared in the week. Pasta in the spinach gravy. In the evenings I had made some sandwiches. As moms, we already have a million things running through our heads. Every single day, kids, home, work, everything. Thinking about what's for lunch or what's for dinner on top of that is exhausting. This little bit of prep, it just takes that pressure off. So these are some easy meals which can be prepared in advance. Ingredients you can use in different ways. Alright, so before we wrap up, here's a real takeaway. Keep it simple and make it work for your routine. If this helped, you can save this video for when you need it and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.